Durangos are built to last, and this 2019 Dodge Durango GT is no exception. Mostly Georgia-driven, it's backed by a strong service history and comes with its original book, making it a perfect blend of reliability and performance. Not only does it pass emissions with flying colors, but this Durango is also road-ready, with everything you need to hit the road with confidence. This vehicle is dealer certified pre-owned, meaning it's been thoroughly inspected and is backed by our Quality Plus warranty, giving you 3 months or 3,000 miles of coverage. Plus, when you buy today, you can add our exclusive 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price, on top of the advertised price. Need more protection? Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade available at the time of sale. As always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection for your peace of mind. Come in today and drive away in the 2019 Dodge Durango GT built to last, ready for adventure. Visit us now for more details and a test drive.